What is up, guys? snazzypc here, and I'm actually making one of my other videos right now, but I thought this would be an excellent opportunity to show you one of the tricks I use for transferring files from my Mac to my PC and from my PC to my Mac. So we're going to start out. You're actually going to need to create a password on your Windows machine. So you're going to head to user accounts and just create a password. I always do ASDF and then just type like first four of home row just to remind you. Just create a password. Oops, hang on. Alright, there we go. So now you have a password. You can always remove it after you're done transferring files, but if you transfer files often, you might just want to consider leaving the password on all the time. The next step is to make sure that you have file transfer or file sharing enabled. So just type in sharing, and it's the second one, manage sharing, manage advanced sharing settings, and just enable all of these. As long as you're on your own wireless network with no one else, like unless you're not like at an airport or on a hotel or something, you'll be alright. You won't need to worry about people randomly logging into your computer and start copying your files. And the last thing we need to do is we need to go to computer where it shows all the hard drives and see how mine have these like people icons here in the bottom. We're going to need to enable that. So you right click on the drive you want to share, you go to share with, advanced sharing, brings up this window. You go back to advanced sharing down here, it's going to bring up this little window. You can actually name it whatever you want. You check the share this folder thing, and then under comments here it says permissions. You want to check allow for full control, change, and read. If you just hit full control, it checks all of these. So hit apply and OK, hit OK, and hit close. And that's all you need to do. You need to do that for each hard drive that you want to share. So I just share all my drives because I'm on a network by myself. Well, everyone else in my family is on the same network, but I don't need to worry about them snooping through my stuff. Well, I mean, even if they did, I wouldn't really care. Over here on the Mac side, the only thing we need to do is we need to, if you're on Lion or Mountain Lion, what you can do is you can just go to Finder, and on the left side here, it should show up. Excuse me, we're actually just going to go to Network. Just click on the desktop and then go up here to Go and Finder. Click on Network, and it should pop up here in a minute. Sometimes it does take a little bit, so we'll actually do the other method first. So we'll go to hit Command K while in Finder. So just hit Command K, and it opens up this connect to server address. You're going to need to be able to find your IP address on your Windows machine. I believe mine is 7 dot or .71 at the end, so it's SMB ://192 or whatever your IP address. Mine's 192.168.171. Hit connect. It's going to do this bit here, and it's going to ask you for your username. Now this is the username of your computer. Mine's Chase, and then the password I set was ASDF. So it doesn't really matter. I hate remembering this keychain. And there we go. That's where all my drives show up. I'm actually just going to transfer to my C drive, so I'm just going to do that. Here we go. So once you do that for the first time, then it shows up over here on the other side where it shows up as your IP address, and then you can browse all of your drives like it's a regular Finder window. So just to disregard what I said earlier, you have to do that connect server thing first. But once you're all connected and good to go, click whatever drive. I'm gonna do C drive. It takes a second because it's over. My MacBook's connected over wireless, and then my desktop's hardwired through my house. We have integrated Ethernet through in our wall. So just navigate to the folder you want to copy to. So mine's the desktop, and this is all the audio for the video I just made. I'm going to copy that over, just drag it in like it's a regular folder. And now looking back at the Windows machine, you can see that all the audio files have been transferred without any issues, and it was all pretty snappy. So that's it for this tutorial. You can transfer any size you want. Just the speeds are limited for the hard drive that it's reading from, being your Mac. Your network speed, which is like your wireless or your wired, which is usually gigabit or like 54 megabit, or whatever your wireless speed is, and then the hard drive it's writing to, which in this case is my desktop, which is an SSD. So it was all really snappy and all really simple. If you have any questions, just leave a comment or send me a message. If you enjoy this video, subscribe. I make tutorials sometimes. Maybe, I don't know, if I come up with anything else handy, I will be sure to make a video about it. So that's it for this video, and have a nice day.